Hi, my name is Darryl Bell, and today I'm going to be barbecuing turkey breast. I love using turkey as an alternative to pork. It's a great blank canvas that you can use to impart flavor. So there's different types of barbecue. You have Kansas City barbecue, Texas barbecue, the Carolinas, all of them are great. Kansas City, what we do there is all of our sauces are tomato and vinegar based. Our proteins, we use dry rub as well as sauce. Texas, for instance, they use just dry rub. So theirs is what they call a dry barbecue. We have a wet barbecue. So now we're gonna start off by making the brine. In this brine, I've got chili flakes. This is gonna add a little spice, which will be really great for the barbecue and the finished product. Brining is a great way to add moisture as well as flavor. So for the brine, first we'll add the water. Salt and sugar, that's gonna be your basic items in any brine that you do. Now add the ginger. We'll add the chili flakes, the garlic. We'll add in the bay leaf, the black peppercorns, and then the beer. The last item that we're gonna add in here will be the orange. Really simple, just split this right in half. You're gonna squeeze this right in. Drop the whole thing in there. So now we're gonna bring this up to a boil. Right when it comes to a boil, the salt, the sugar will be dissolved. At that point, shut it off, we'll cool it down, and we're done. And now we're just gonna add our turkey breast right into it. And the smells that I'm getting from this are the citrus from the orange as well as the ginger. It's really nice, really delicate. So now we're gonna refrigerate this for 12 hours or overnight. All right, so I removed the turkey from the brine. I vacuum sealed it, and now it's time to start sous videing it. So I've got my circulator set up at 147 degrees, and we're gonna let this go for an hour and a half. I like to sous vide my turkey breast. The reason I do this is so I can hit it on the grill nice and slow, continue to baste it, get that nice lacquer and sauce on it, but also ensure that it's fully cooked. All right, so now our turkey breast, it's finished cooking. It's been going for an hour and a half. I've removed it, I put it into an ice bath so it's nice and cold. Now I'm just gonna open it up. So I've got a towel underneath, and I'm gonna pat this nice and dry right on top. So now I've got the turkey on the grill. I typically put the coals off to one side and the protein on the other side. This way it can cook nice and slow, so while I'm glazing it, it's not burning on me. So this has been on the grill for about 30 minutes now. I've been glazing it every 5 minutes, so that way when I go to cut into it, I get different layers of flavors in there. At this point, this turkey is looking really nice. It's got nice layers of sauce on there. Time to pull it off the grill. So I've pulled the turkey off of the grill. We've let it rest for about 20 minutes. Now it's time to slice it up. And the thickness on the slice, these will all be your preference here. So I like mine a little bit thicker, make a nice sandwich on that. Or if you want something a little thinner, you can do that as well. So you can see the texture there of this turkey is nice and pink. It's fully cooked. It's smooth, it's soft. And that's what you're looking for. So there you have it, a barbecue turkey breast. This is my take on an all-American classic.